In Brizy, we've had entrance animations since the very beginning, and they've always been grouped together with the styling options in the More Settings sidebar. With more effects coming into Brizy and more styling options coming into Brizy, the two have been split. And there's also a great shortcut key for that, which I really recommend you learn to use because it will speed up your workflow exponentially. Let's add entrance animation to these images we have here, which are actually added to columns. Select a column, settings, and where we in the past used to have the option for more settings, it is now divided into styling and effects. We want to work with an entrance animation, so you select effects. On the right, the sidebar opens, and by having selected effects, you will see it opens to the effects sidebar. You have the styling still there, but because you want to jump quickly into effects, it opens to effects because you selected effects. There is that quicker way then to bring in the entrance animation. Let's click outside and let's do it again. Make sure you select an element or a column. In this case, we're going to select a column. And now from your keyboard, you hit Control, Command, K, and that will open the sidebar for you. So you don't have to go through those extra clicks, just a quick little touch on the keyboard and you are in the effects sidebar, and now you can bring in the effect that you want to do for that specific element. As we are continuously adding new features to Brizy, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date. See you next time.